We're talking about something that can really leave you stranded, a bad transmission control module, or TCM for short. This little computer is like the brain of your transmission, and when it goes bad, it can cause all sorts of headaches. Stick around and I'll give you the rundown on 7 common symptoms of a bad transmission control module that you should never, ever ignore. Let's get to it. First up, let's talk about unpredictable shifting. When your TCM is working properly, your car should shift gears smoothly and seamlessly. But when your TCM is on the fritz, it can start sending mixed signals to your transmission, causing erratic shifting. You might feel a sudden jerk or jolt when your car shifts gears, or you might notice that it's hesitant to shift at all. If you notice your car shifting like a bucking bronco, don't ignore it. Get it checked out by a mechanic you trust as soon as possible. Next up, we've got a real nightmare scenario, getting stuck in gear. Imagine this: you're driving down the road, minding your own business, when suddenly your car gets stuck in one gear. You can't shift up, you can't shift down, you're just stuck. This can be incredibly dangerous, especially if you're on a busy highway. A faulty TCM is a common culprit for this issue. If you ever find yourself stuck in gear, pull over to a safe location and call a tow truck. Now, let's talk about something that's near and dear to all of our hearts, our wallets. A bad TCM can actually affect your fuel economy, and not in a good way. When your TCM isn't working properly, it can cause your transmission to shift gears at the wrong times, leading to higher fuel consumption. If you've been noticing a sudden drop in your gas mileage and you're experiencing some of the other symptoms we've talked about, there's a good chance your TCM is to blame. So, if you're tired of shelling out extra cash at the pump, get your car checked out by a mechanic. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite dashboard decoration, the check engine light. This little light can mean a million different things, from a loose gas cap to a catastrophic engine failure. But one thing it can definitely indicate is a problem with your TCM. When your car's computer system detects a problem with the TCM, it'll trigger the check engine light. Get your car scanned for trouble codes whenever the check engine light comes on. So if that check engine light is staring you down, don't ignore it. Get it checked out right away. Now, let's talk about another symptom that can really mess with your driving experience: delayed shifting. When your TCM is working properly, your car should shift gears almost instantaneously. But when your TCM starts to go bad, you might notice a delay between the time you hit the gas and the time your car actually shifts gears. If you're experiencing this symptom along with some of the others we've talked about, there's a good chance your TCM is the culprit. Get that TCM checked out. Now, let's talk about a symptom that can really do some serious damage to your transmission: overheating. When your TCM isn't working properly, it can cause your transmission to overheat. If the TCM isn't sending the right signals, the transmission fluid might not circulate properly, leading to overheating. If you notice your transmission is running hot, pull over to a safe location and let it cool down before you continue driving. Get it checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. Last but not least, let's talk about a safety feature that can be both a blessing and a curse: limp mode. When your car goes into limp mode, it'll severely limit your engine's power and speed. A bad TCM can definitely trigger limp mode. When the TCM isn't working properly, it can send all sorts of crazy signals to your car's computer, and the computer might decide to put the car in limp mode to prevent further damage. If you find yourself stuck in limp mode, don't panic. It's just your car's way of looking out for you. Get it checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. So there you have it. 8 common symptoms of a bad transmission control module that you should never ignore. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms we've talked about, don't wait. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and like the video if you find what I shared useful for you. Thanks for watching.